So it's your first time here in MPBL. So, but I've been watching your games in PBA and your previous. What's your parang biggest secret para sa longevity?
Ganda!
Ganda yun, magandang question yun. One thing for sure, preparation. Yun yung pinaka-importante. Prepare your body physically and mentally. Yun yung natutunan ko all throughout the years. I watch all the veterans na mga nauna sa akin sa team. Of course, nakatingin na ako. Nakatingin na ako.
Si Cyrus yata yung sasabihin mo.
Oh, isa yon sa mga naging teammate ko before sa Alaska, especially sa Alaska. And not only all the teams I have been through. Nandyan sila Contiveros, Sanitos.
Uy, Kuya Dondo, nasa MPBL din yan.
Yes, Eric Meng. Before that, I got Will Antonio. Makikita mo how they take care of their body, how they prepare before practices, and how they eat. Napakalaking bagay yon.